Today we are going to deal with articles. The use of a and the before singular countable nouns is called articles. Now there are two kinds of articles: indefinite articles, which include a and n. Indefinite articles, they do not refer to particular nouns. They refer to nouns generally. Now we are going to study about a and n. A is used before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Now consonant sound, you can see cattle. Cattle, K begins with consonant letter as well as the consonant sound. University, U begins with a vowel letter, but it begins with a consonant sound. So we do not have to see the letter, we have to see the sounds here. The one-way track, in the same way, one way also begin with the consonant sound. Now the second example, Shruti wants a black dress. Now Shruti here, she doesn't want any particular black dress, she wants a dress which should be of black color. So therefore we can use over here a. Then n. N is used before the noun that begin with vowel sound. For example, an aunt. Aunt, it is beginning with a vowel as well as the vowel sound. And ma. Ma beginning with a consonant but has vowel sound. R. In R, H is silent, so it is beginning with a vowel sound. Honor, H is silent, so beginning with a vowel sound. So here we are using an. So there is an ant in your cup of tea. This is also the example, same example. Now a and n can be used in the following cases. Now where we can use in the sense of one or any, where we want to show that one thing. Now here how many shirts are there? There only one shirt. There is a shirt in the cupboard, so we can write here a shirt. If there are two shirts, we will write there are two shirts, not a shirt. A shirt means one. To denote a class or species, when we are talking about the whole class of anything. Now here fox, we are talking about all the fox. So then we can write the fox is a cunning animal. To give proper noun the meaning of a common noun. When normally before proper noun we do not use any article, but when we use that proper noun as a common noun, then we can use article before it, indefinite articles before it. In certain expressions of number, for example, you can see a dozen eggs. This is a dozen is a number, so we can use here indefinite article. To show the rate, for example, I bought petrol at rupees 73 a liter. So a liter, this also, to show the rate also we can use the article. Then before, now the second articles that we are going to deal is in definite articles. Definite articles include the. Now where do we use the? The is used before a particular noun. For example, if we say Shruti wants the black dress, it means she has in front of her many dresses and she wants that particular black dress. I have seen the movie that you mentioned. Here the movie, we are talking about the particular movie which had been mentioned by you. So that's why the movie will come. Also, it is also used before the noun which is already in the sentence. For example, if there is a sentence, his mother gave him a diary. Now in the sentence, a diary is already there. We have already mentioned the word diary. Now if we want to write something more about that word, we can write the. That means we are talking about the same diary, particular diary which has been mentioned in the earlier sentence. The diary had a blue color. So we are not over here, we are not talking about any diary, we are talking about particular diary. Which diary? the diary which is mentioned already in a sentence. Now we can also use definite articles before the superlatives. Superlatives, the words or and words used in a sense of superlative. For example, the words like best, the words like worst, the words like so we can use before the superlatives highest, like longest. All these words we can, before these words we can use the, before the superlatives we can use the. We can also use definite articles before the comparative degree when choosing between two nouns. For example, you can see the comparative degree is better, and when we are choosing between two, then we can use the. Use before the unique nouns, all the unique things. Unique means the things which are only one in the whole world. We can use sun is also one, moon, the earth, the Arabian Sea, the Bible. All the unique nouns we can use the before it. Use before certain adjectives like the last year, the next month, the higher, the colder. We can now come to the next part, that is omission of articles, the where we do not use any article. Now with proper noun we never use any article. For example, your names are the proper nouns, so you never use before your name any article, a, an or the. In the same way, material noun, before the material noun also we do not use. For example, you can see too much sugar is bad for your teeth. So here sugar is the material noun, so before sugar we cannot use any article. Then before abstract noun, you may be knowing those nouns which do not have any which are the feelings only. For example, feelings, or you can say which do not have any body. For example, justice is the word, so it has been done, so justice is the abstract noun. So before justice also we never use any article. So you have to learn all these things. With proper noun, material noun and abstract noun we do not use any article. With plural nouns also we never use any articles. We always use the articles before singular countable nouns. We also never use the articles before the word, before the seasons, the subjects, name of the subjects, with the parts of the body or the games. For example, you can see first example, spring always fills one with hope. So before the word spring is the name of the season, we have not used here any article. She knows Chinese and Arabic. So Chinese and Arabic, these are what? These are the languages. So we do not use any article before the languages also. Then don't let your nails grow so long. Nails, they are the parts of the body, so before the parts of the body also we never use any articles. So children, you have to learn these rules. With names of institutions used in a general sense. For example, the child hasn't yet started going to school. Now generally we are talking here, we are not talking about any particular school, we are talking about that the child has not started going to school, general sense. So when we are talking in a general sense, we do not use any article. Then we do not use any article with the nouns denoting a unique position, that is a position held at one time by one person. For example, you see he was elected chairman of the board. Now chairman is the position which is held by one person at a time. So therefore before this we cannot use any article. She is a candidate for the post of president. So president would be one, that is a position, and would be only one, so we do not use any article before the word president. with certain phrases. Now with certain phrases, for example, every evening the family sat down together to break bread. The break bread is the phrase. So before that we never use any article. Before anyone could react, the ship had caught fire. So before the phrase like caught fire, we never use the article. So children, today you have to go through the articles and do the exercises of your book, given in your book. In your book you do, and I will send you the answers later on.